This is the Kodak i4850 series scanner. It's a good scanner when you have a large volume of documents you want to scan in very quickly. I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'll show you some additional features that the scanner has. When you unbox the scanner, you'll have a power cable, a USB cable, and the output tray will also come detached. The output tray clips in on the top and rests just like that. Take the power cable, plug it into the power port, and then take the USB cable and connect it into the USB slot. After connecting your cables and installing any necessary software on your computer, power on the scanner by pushing the power button on the front. The scanner will boot up, and if the tray is in the upright position, that'll lower. If your scanner connects successfully, you'll see the light turn from red to green. Both the upper and lower trays on the scanner have different adjustments that can be made to make sure that the paper stays in place while it scans through and when it comes out, so that way pages don't get mixed up or out of order. The scanner has an interactive LCD screen where you can see various information such as scanner information, diagnostics, logs. You can raise and lower the elevator. To navigate on the screen, use the up and down arrows. When you get to the setting you want, push the check mark to accept and push the X to go back. The pause and play button is for scanning, and the stop button is if you want to stop scanning. This concludes an overview and basic setup of a Kodak i4850 series scanner.